Hi, my name is Kirklewski. Today I want to show you how to find the last row in Microsoft Excel using Visual Basic for applications. And it's a very common problem, you are looking, if you have your data ready to paste to a spreadsheet. You are looking for the last row. In this scenario, for example, last row is row number 10. In this scenario, it's going to be row number 12. But if you have any formatting, and that's the tricky part, if you have any formatting, the Excel actually thinks that in this scenario row number 17 is our last row, in this scenario 20, and in this scenario row number 30. Now the formatting is, the color is red, but actually that's what I experienced. There is something there that makes Excel think that it's last row, but it's actually a kind of formatting which is probably white or something like that, and you really can't see that, and Excel thinks that this row is the last row. So we are not only going to find the last row, we are going to check if the last row is real, if it's really a last row, and if not, we are going to remove that. So let's tick the button, let's name it find the last row, and let's start with declaring variable last row. It's very simple to find the last row in Excel using Visual Basic for applications. Basically, it's active workbook, sheets, and in this scenario sheet 1, used range, rows that count, right? And this way we are going to find our last row, but in this scenario it will tell us that it's a row number 30, which we really don't want, right? It's a row number 30, which we know it's not what are we looking for. We are looking for the last row where the cell in column A is filled with data. So first thing, yes, we are going to check if the last row is the real last row, and if not, we are going to remove those false last rows. Okay. So let's first think. Let's put a label, which is like place in your program, which you can refer to. You can tell the program to go to this label later on. So as we have last row, we want to check if cells last row, and in column 1, if value is different than than empty, if it's not empty. If it is empty, then we want to delete that row. So if it's empty, then rows last row dot delete, and then we want the program to start again to look for for the last row again. So we are saying go to lst row, go to our label, start again. And in a minute I'm going to show you that it's very fast. The false last rows are going to be removed, and the program is going to find our the real last row. So that's about the code. Let's check it. Yes, and that's correct. The last row is row number 12. As you see, the false last rows were removed, and Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Thank you very much.